This is the spring 2022 version of kindergartening, and we are starting with Move Those Plants, taking the plants we started inside and moving them into dirt outside. The garden word for today is plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. That is the name of a seed that has been grown into a green thing with leaves. That's a plant. It also is the action that you take to put it in the ground. Hello, kindergartners. This is Mr. Mark, and I am standing in front of my house at the end of 85th Terrace, and I'm just about to transplant the garden plants that you have been working on this spring. So I'm going to show you around a little bit. At the end of the street here, we have a piece of property up the hill. You see a garden up there behind the basketball pole, and some of the plants are going there and some of them are going behind our house. Here you can see the 5 planters for each of the 5 kindergarten classes, and the 3 on the left, Settles, Mayfield, and Kingery, they are going up the hill, and the other 2, Mazarang and Bryant, they are going in my backyard. I've got gardens in both places. Around the cul-de-sac, there's a basketball pole. If you walk up that hill, you get to a piece of land that my wife and I own. There's a garden. That's where I have my tomatoes and peppers, beets, green beans. Mrs. Settle's class has cantaloupes planted. You can see them in the planter in front of us. And this is the spot that they are going to go. There's also some onions in there and some green beans, but we'll put down some mulch so they have a nice place to lay and get them in the ground. The cantaloupe are transplanted now. You can see the spots where the dirt is showing. We've transplanted in there. There's also a few more in the back. And I will put a marker here so you'll be able to identify them as Mrs. Settle's class. Just around the corner from where Mrs. Settles has her cantaloupes, we're going to plant a couple of pumpkin varieties. First we have Mrs. Kingery's pumpkins on the left. I believe they're the white pumpkins. And we have Mrs. Mayfield's enormous pumpkins on the right. So left side, remember, your left hand makes an L, your right hand doesn't. So this is the left side, and that's the right side. Here are your big pumpkins. Mrs. Kingery's class first, and then over there, Mrs. Mayfield's class. Notice that there's a fence around here, and there was netting around the other part where Mrs. Settle's class has her cantaloupe, because we have lots of deer, squirrels, raccoons. They like to munch on things. Right in the middle of this thing, there are 4 watermelon plants that my grandsons wanted to plant. Down the hill in our backyard, I have another garden, and it is set up for Mrs. Bryant's cucumbers, Mrs. Mazarang's little pumpkins. We're going to get them in the ground, and they'll be all set. You will see in this backyard garden, the cucumbers and the little pumpkins are now planted on the mulch, which came from a straw bale from Halloween. And you'll also see red planters with your kindergarten teachers' names on them, so you can identify the proper spot to look for your plants. Here's a map that shows you how you can get to the plants in the gardens on our properties. You can follow the blue line on the map. It's just 5 minutes from Gashland Elementary School to our house at 1509 Northeast 85th Terrace. And in this graphic, you can see each teacher's name with a green line pointing to where their garden is. You are welcome to come. You don't need to knock. You don't need to ask permission. Just walk to the garden with your family and your friends. Lastly, I want to show you the gardening words from last year. You can see them on this list. They might be something you want to practice. In addition to that, I'll let you know that each Tuesday I will attempt to have an update for you on how your plants are doing, at least until the end of the school year, but then into the summer as well. I hope you enjoy gardening. Thank you very much.